Welcome to Spreadsheet 1, Topic 5.4.1, Simple Sorts and Filter Sorts. So often when we have a large quantity of data, we do want to sort it to make it easier to work with. We can do this by highlighting the data, and then in the data we have sort sheet and sort range. If we just do the default sort range by column A, we'll get this. That was already the way that it was sorted. If we do Z to A, we see it reverses. Notice that the first name, last name got sorted with it. So that title got sorted with it. When we have a title that's part of our selection, we want to use the advanced range sorting options. And that allows us to say the data has the header row, which tells the software that first name and last name are the first pieces of information and they are separate from the rest. So we could sort by last name and then by first name, and it sorts by last name. If we sort by just the first name, we'll see that the Williams are lumped together, first Shakespeare and then Tell. If we do the multiple sorting options, then we can pick what happens when our first criteria has duplicates. This worked with Shakespeare above Tell because that's the way they were already sorted. If we sort the range by the last name in reverse order, that puts Tell above Shakespeare. And now, if we sort that same range by first name, we still have Tell above Shakespeare. But if we sort our range by first name and then last name, it looks at these two Williams and say, okay, they're equal, so we'll sort those by last name, and that gets those in the proper order. So we'll often want more than one sort criteria to do this. We also have the option of a filtered sort. So we can create a filter, and in this case we have the filters on these, and we can sort just right in the headers here by that filter information, and we can even look at these filters and remove, say, anyone with the first name William. So we uncheck William, and now we have that filtered data, which we may now sort. So we can exclude the Williams from our data set, and then continue with our sorting and our filtering as is. And again, if we have that sort or the filters in place, we can just quickly sort by last name or sort by first name. To bring the Williams back, we can click on them or simply select all. And that will put our Williams back on the list.